lovely friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Billie Shave Club subscription box. So I ordered this about 2 weeks ago, so it came pretty quick. We open up the box. This is what it looks like. It says, "Hi, hello, time to give your lady bod some love," and it has this cute little sealed bag inside. Let's go ahead and pull that out. The bag looks like this. It's very cute. There's nothing else in the box, that's it. So if I open this, then inside we have a few things. We have a pamphlet from Billie, and this I think is going to be the razor itself. So it has a nice little pull tab, and it comes out just like that. So I got the one in the purple and pink. It's very cute, very nice. And then you have an extra set of blades in a nice little container like this. It's very cute. And then this was the thing that really got me on Billie specifically, is it has this little bag and it says a holder for your handle. It's magical. So pulling this out, it has a magnet. This goes on your shower. And then it has this cute little stand that you attach, and your razor will actually attach, you can see there's a little spot right there, to the holder. So I thought that was so cool, and it came with that. This whole set was $9. So you attach this to your shower, your razor sticks right to it, it comes with a little magnet for your shower, and then you never have to worry about your razor ending up on the ground again, because I don't know about you, but my husband and my daughter frequently knock my razor down and I have to fish it off the ground and then wash it, which is kind of gross. So overall, pretty excited. I'll give this a try in my bath tonight, and I'll check back and let you know how I feel about the razor itself. But overall, for $9, I think the value is really good. The packaging was very cute. And I did subscribe, so in, I think, 2 months was the one that I chose, because I only shave a couple times a week, just being real. But within 2 months, I'll get another set of razor blades. So overall, looks really cute. I can't wait to try it, so I'll let you know. I'll check back in once I've used it, and until then, have a great time.